Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a watermark in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to make a watermark in Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Watermarks in PowerPoint function as identities, protect copyright, and indicate document status such as draft or confidential. The method is: enter the Insert menu. Select Picture. And select this device. Then here select the image to be inserted. Tap Insert. Here the image has appeared. Then change the image to Fade, tap Color. Here we select Washout. The image has faded. Right tap the image. Select Cut. After this we will enter the Slide Master menu. Tap View. Select Slide Master. Well, here the Slide Master has come out. Remember, friends, here we have to insert the image on the first page of this master slide. Remember, on the first page. Paste. Now the image has come out. Then make it the backmost position. Right tap the image. Select Send to Back. Here the image is already in the backmost position. We can adjust the position and size of the watermark. To see it, we can return to the regular slide page by tapping Close Master View. Now the watermark can be created. For the next slide, point the cursor to the first slide. Right-click and select Duplicate Slide. And do it to the next slide. And to delete the watermark, the method is to tap Menu View. Click the image earlier and delete the watermark image. And select Close View Slide. Now the image has been deleted. Watermarks in PowerPoint are useful for strengthening branding, protecting copyright, indicating document status, and enhancing a professional impression. It also helps prevent the spread or use of unauthorized material. So that's it. Tutorial how to make a watermark in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.